Hi, my beauties. It's your girl, Cardi Allen, a Stiletto Beauty, and I'm back with another wig review. I was going to say hair review. It's a wig review. And this is Bobbi. This is about to be a mouthful. This is the Bobbi Boss Lace unit in Harena. I think that's how you pronounce it. But before we get into the review, if you are a new beauty, welcome, and you want to join a Beautihood, just hit the subscribe button, click the bell, click all, and then you will be a part of the Beautihood. If you are a returning beauty, thank you so much for coming back and for the continued support. I truly appreciate it. I ask that you watch this video in its entirety, and then on the end, if you like what you saw, click the like button. If you didn't like what you saw, if you think I need some changes to make, go in the comments, give me constructive criticism, because I read the comments and I take notes. With that being said, if you want to see how I achieve this look with this unit, if you want to see the whole process of customization, and then my final reviews and thoughts, stay tuned. Hey, my beauties. So this is the sped up customization of this unit. I'm not going to lie to y'all. This took me a little bit of time because your girl is very picky, in particular about how her units lay and slay. But get into it. All right, my beauties, this is the final look. It finally turned out to my liking. As you saw in the video, I had to manipulate it. But I will say this, that is just because I'm picky, and in my mind I had a vision for this unit. And I'm, like I said, I'm picky because even now I'm still like, I gotta cut some more layers in here. But for the sake of finishing this video, let's get right into this review. So first thing is packaging. Very standard packaging bag. Come with the stock card, which I showed earlier, but I'm gonna show it again. This is your stock card. Now this wig, it's free parting, so 13x4 deep lace. It also has the MediFresh, which is that antibacterial. It's supposed to block the UV rays from the sun. It's supposed to make the unit very, very breathable, safe and clean. All of that good stuff. This one that I have right now, what else is this? Premium synthetic here. I have this in the color navy blue, but it also has like some money piece highlights, which is why you're seeing that light, more royal blues popping through. So the first thing I'll say is I'm loving this color. I didn't think I was gonna like this color. Like, I feel like I would like this color like on a short hairstyle, but with this length, I actually now that, you know, makeup and stuff is done, I'm liking the color. Next product. So this is, it has some, what I like to, when I looked at it for its length, they were longer low curls, which is, like I said, I had to manipulate so that I can get a little bit more feathered look. And then this part to get this bump was giving me some issues, but other than that, it was cool. It's very soft. Like, I like the fibers on this one. Very, very soft. I will say, because of how short it is, it might tangle a little bit. I haven't got any tangle or any shedding, but it's just out the pack. I believe this is about, before I started going, this is a crazy, I want to say it might be 18 inches. That's what it's giving me, but again, it's layered. Free parting. It does come with baby hairs. I did customize some of them to my liking. What else is this? Does it take heat? It does take heat. As always though, because especially this is a curl wig, you got to be very careful with the heat, because it will, once you heat this up, you cannot, well, at least I haven't been able to like put curls back in it. This is not a unit where you can take a curl iron and add more curls. I don't think it's gonna work. It's just gonna flatten the curls out. But it can take heat to where it won't burn. As you see, I used my hot tools to kind of lay the parting area, to bump the front fringe area, and then to lay my baby hairs. Product application and installation. This was difficulty to put on the unit, was not difficult at all. It's very easy to put on, and what I like about this one, you can absolutely wear this glueless, because it has the flex to fit cap. I will say I have this unit, and I'm going to show it at the end of this video, in another color. I feel like this one is a lot more snug, which is interesting, than the other one. So I'm just going to end up tightening the other one. And I'm going to do, tighten that one. So you can wear this glueless. You can install it if you want to. I'm not one who installs synthetic wigs. I like to take them off every day, as I said in previous videos. The lace, does it melt into the skin? You tell me. Do you see any lace? Because other than knots, I can see knots. But I mean, lace where? Who is she? Because I don't know her. Knots, those bitches is nosy. But lace, I don't know who she is. So anywho, overall, lace melts wonderfully. Is this a slay or a stay away? This unit for me is a slay. Even off the bag, it is a very cute unit. Again, it took me a little bit longer to customize this one because I just be doing too much sometimes. But this video's been long enough. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it gave what it's supposed to give. As always, remember, true beauty is limitless. Stay beautiful and be kind. And if you go out and get this wig, let your girl know. And send some pictures. You know what I'm saying? Tag me. All right. Bye, y'all. Okay, my beauties, this is me in the other color. This is the 350 in the front with the 99J in the back.